Hey Sohan, what are you doing here? How are you? And why are you sitting like this? Yes, I am fine by the grace of Almighty. What about you? And how are you? Yes, I am fine by the grace of Almighty. And what about you? Bro, I have some problem. Tell me, what's your problem? I am your friend and I am with you. Tell me, bro, don't worry. I need some money. Can you borrow me 5,000 rupees, please? Please borrow me 5,000 rupees. Okay, tell me your phone pay number. I will give you the money. If you have any problem, you can tell me. Dear viewers, here we use the borrow word. Borrow means to get something from someone and intention of returning it within some days. তাহলে বড় মানে হলো কারো কাছ থেকে কিছু ধার করা, টাকা হোক বা যে কোনো জিনিস ধার করা।